Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, today I got two Norwegian cruise news stories for you, so it's going to be just a quick little news video, and we're going to start off with the Norwegian Sky. So after 2 long years, the Norwegian Sky has resumed sailing officially March the 2nd from the port of Miami. Now, the Norwegian Sky has actually been in dry dock 2 times, once right before the beginning of the pandemic, and then she went back into dry dock over this last 2 years before resuming sailing yesterday. So if you sailed on the Norwegian Sky before, you may see some updates, some changes. She had some maintenance done and some changes done to her public areas on board. So we welcome back the Norwegian Sky back into sailing. And our second Norwegian Cruise Line story. Now, before we get into this one, look, everybody has their own opinion about ships' gratuities. Some people prepay them, some people pay them on the ship, and yep, we've all heard the stories or know someone who's done it. You have those individuals that will remove the gratuities at the end of their cruise just to not pay them. So I don't want this to turn into a gratuity battle type of conversation. Simply want to share some news from Norwegian Cruise Lines because they are doing an increase to their gratuities. So they did send out a letter to guest and travel advisors. And go ahead and show you guys this letter. It says, "Dear valued guest and travel partners, on behalf of Norwegian Cruise Lines, we thank you for your loyalty and for making us your vacation of choice. The following is important information regarding your upcoming cruise. Travel partners should share the below information with guests who may be affected. At Norwegian Cruise Lines, we are committed to delivering exceptional guest experiences at every step of the cruise journey, and with the dedication of our shipboard team, we are able to turn your vacation dreams into reality. As such, we make it easy for guests to show their appreciation for these vacation heroes with discretionary daily service charges, which provide gratuities to key onboard staff members, including room stewards, restaurant servers, and behind-the-scenes support staff." Now, beginning April the 1st, 2022, we will be making a nominal adjustment to your daily service charges as follows. So it's going to be $20 per person per day for the Haven and Suites, $18 per person per day for Club Balcony Suites, and $16 per person per day for Balcony and Below. Guests who make a reservation on or before March 31st, 2022 will have the option of prepaying their service charges at the current rate if done prior to sail date. Guests with existing cruise reservations who have already prepaid their service charges at the current rate are not affected. Service charges can be prepaid in the vacation summary section of My NCL. Sincerely, Norwegian Cruise Lines. And there you go. Norwegian Cruise Lines raising the rates of their gratuities on board effective April the 1st here of 2022. So basically here at the end of this month. And like I said, I know everybody has their own opinion on the gratuities. Me personally, I prepay my gratuities. That way I know it's done. It's out of the way. The crew is going to receive their gratuities. I don't have to worry about it while I'm on ship. I don't have to worry about it at the end of my cruise. That is how I choose to handle gratuities. I know everybody has their own way. And like always, hey, you do you. That's just how I choose to do it. All right, like I said, short, quick, and sweet today. So that is going to be your cruise news for March the 4th, 2022. Hope you did enjoy today's video. If you did, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.